Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan here with another video for you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. That way you can get this content in your inbox. I've been reading your comments lately about my YouTube channel, and I've been posting a lot of stuff just regarding some of the thematic elements of my YouTube channel and what I wanted to actually talk about. This is a new series that I want to start. It's basically, I wanted to focus on communication a little bit more. Communication specifically, I want to focus on different areas of communication, more specifically nonverbal communication, but focusing on very specific things, doing like a 2-minute little video of that specific type of communication. Let's put a timer on there. So today's video is going to be about eye contact. All right, so eye contact is the best way to engage with someone and communicate clearly with someone. If you aren't giving good eye contact to people, then you're actually hurting your communication with that person. There's a great rule called the 10-second rule. Don't hold somebody's eye contact for more than 10 seconds, but at the same time, don't be flitting all over the place, not being able to keep that eye contact for about 2 to 3 seconds. You want to have like a natural feeling when you make good eye contact with that person you're speaking to. A key thing with eye contact is look at that person in the eye, and if you can't do that, look at their eyebrow, maybe the left part of their nose, the right part of their nose. Pick an eye, one eye if you need to focus a little bit more, pick their eyelid. Something that if you're not comfortable doing eye contact, at least try that first, and then grow your confidence as you begin to do more eye contact. So I hope that was 2 minutes. Definitely let me know if you guys like these tips, these episodes, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.